Nike Training Club Elite Program App. The pros, the cons. You won't believe how much the Nike Training Club app packs into a single fitness platform. From beginner workouts to elite level training, it's designed to help anyone move, sweat, and stay motivated. But is the elite program really worth your time? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Nike Training Club offers an incredible variety of workouts from body weight sessions and height to yoga and mobility. The Elite program takes things further with structured training plans built by Nike's world-class coaches and athletes. It's like having your own personal trainer in your pocket. The app is completely integrated with your fitness data, letting you track progress and adjust goals as you go. The videos are high quality, with clear instructions that make every movement easy to follow. The best part: much of the content is still free, which makes it one of the most generous fitness apps out there. Now, for the cons. Some users find the Elite plans a bit rigid. They don't offer as much customization as other premium fitness apps. You also need reliable internet access to stream workouts, since not all videos can be downloaded. In conclusion, the Nike Training Club Elite program is a powerhouse for fitness motivation and structure. Whether you're just starting out or looking to challenge yourself, it delivers professional level training with the polish and energy you'd expect from Nike. If you love variety and world-class guidance without a heavy price tag, it's one of the best fitness apps to have on your phone.